Nigga fast flip, fast chip. Give me fast lip.
Oh my God, Moolah.
Give me lip fast. Got some red shrimp. Niggas red shrimp. I done made a tick. Little tick. That nigga think I'm really running. He crazy out his mind. Watch how I do with this boy, this young boy, this young chickling. Might be up there stealing my shit.
What is this place?
You made it. What's up, cuz?
You were the last to see the president alive.
Welcome to the...
Fuck! I know that gun suck ass! That gun, no! We all know what the fuck.
That was cool.
Don't get out, nigga, I'm gonna riddle him. Who the fuck say he with them riddles, nigga, rebuttals, nigga, I'm gonna put him flipping. Nigga, I'm gonna pull up with the 50, nigga, I know 50, nigga, I know 50 man. Nigga, I know many man, nigga, I know chopper, nigga, I know how to take him apart, I know how to fold you like a lousy, I'm gonna get him in. I'm gonna get him, man, nigga, I'm gonna get him again, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'ma spend the bands. I had shit, man, nigga, I'm in the ground like cinnamon, nigga, I'm a... All I know is chin, his chin, if you play with me and my mans. All we know is spin, nigga, spin, till I get dizzy in the head. I don't know spin, niggas fucked up, niggas we get dizzy, I'm fucked up in the head. I don't know spin, niggas spin, nigga, get the motherfucking little bread. You know, get big bread. Nigga play with me, nigga, soft like Ted. Nigga on end. Sick on shit. Pull up with the motherfucking chop, nigga, just got out the shit. Got saw on the motherfucking end, I'm pulling up, taking off a little nigga head. Hold on. Fuck some little niggas dead. I was 12 years old in the field. I had the motherfucking sandals on. I was with I go anywhere. Nigga, then where we at, nigga, to go down. We fuck, nigga, we out somewhere.
Oh my God, Moolah.
You be in here, nigga, be sit down, nigga, be stand up in the motherfucking chair. They go down and right here, nigga, they go down right there. It ain't fair. Beat a nigga out for Ric Flair. Pussy nigga get a chair. Stand up over him, nigga. Bust this motherfucker head. Fuck my cousin, nigga. You heard what I said? When I show to motherfucker family, you know, I'm like his ass in head. Pulling up right there. See, I fled. Pulling up, yeah. Pulling up some goddamn shit. Know what I just said? Know what I just said? Got my friends, nigga, I'm on a whole nother tip. Only about them scripts. More about them scripts. More about them bad bitches. Real bad chicks. Came out the truth. Well, that's how we get it. Kept this shit a trade. Boy, know my mission. Count up whole lot of business. I ain't got no feelings. I can't deal with these bitches. I don't deal with stenches. Count up, reload again, nigga. Spin back again, nigga. Count up the business, nigga. Real Benton, nigga. I don't even get it, nigga. A little Benjamin, nigga. I always spin, nigga. City, nigga. How about city, nigga? Hold on. All those black, yeah, Benny, nigga. And chicken coop, man, you know it's 10, nigga. You know, I with J Money getting motherfucking cheese every day, nigga. Make play, nigga, get motherfucking cheese, nigga, fish fillet, nigga, getting paid, nigga, walk out the motherfucking bank, nigga, smell like steak, nigga. What the fuck a nigga thing, nigga? Ain't no fucking walk a flock of shit. Chase him down, get his mama spent. Nigga, you over with. Keep a lot of chips. Bad chick with a real bad bitch. Nigga, fast flip, fast chip. Give me fast lip.
Oh my God, Moolah.
Give me lip fast. Got some red shrimp. Niggas red shrimp. I done made a tick. Little tick. That nigga think I'm really running. He crazy out his mind. Watch how I do with this boy, this young boy, this young chickling. Might be up there stealing my shit.
What is this place?
You made it. What's up, cuz?
You were the last to see the president alive.
Welcome to the
Fuck! I know that gun suck ass! That gun, no! We all know what the fuck.
That was cool.
Touchscreen Max Bundle. Plans starting at $16.99 a month.
Fuck no!
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna stay with the mini recording today.